Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, first of all, tomorrow is FOMC day. It is interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar. Definitely going to be a very big news event. I don't think they're going to change interest rates, but it definitely will still most likely cause a lot of volatility. And I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure you check that out if you'd like to watch the FOMC live stream. So, anyways, I still actually think this is a wave B going up right here, and I still think this is going to go down for an A, B, C of wave B, just like I have been saying. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame, I actually still think this is a wave B right here. I actually think this is all one uptrend right here. I think this is an A. I think this is three waves down for a B, and I think this is a wave C. I call this an irregular ABC pattern, which I definitely think is a very recognizable pattern. I still think this is going to end up going back down for a wave C of wave B, just like that, before we actually do make a bigger push to the upside. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely are in an uptrend right now, and I think once we can identify the end of this trend, then it most likely will be the end of a wave C of wave B, and it most likely will probably start a new downtrend to the downside for the wave C of wave B, just like I was showing and explaining on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still up right now, and I am definitely still looking for logs. I think there's a good chance that tomorrow it probably will break to the downside, and we'll start looking for shorts tomorrow after the FOMC news. But for now, trend is up, trend is my friend, and I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you were doing nothing but looking for longs over the past few weeks, I think you would have been very profitable with your trading. And I am definitely still looking for longs. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. I'm looking for impulsive engulfing moves to the upside. A break of structure will definitely help also give a little bit of extra confidence for the long opportunities that we are looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the trend is actually over on like the daily to 4 hour time frame, someplace in that range, I personally am trading with the trend, which means I'm only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.